Shri Raghavendraya Namaha. Hello friends, myself Ashish Desai. Welcome to my channel Jyotish Research. Today we are going to start with a new topic, yogas for success in stock market. But before that, I would like to request you all to please like, share and subscribe to this channel if you are liking my work. And suppose if you want to consult me for a consultation, then you can just visit my website www.jyotish-research.com or get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number 9657569256 or just drop a mail to jyotisresearch@gmail.com. Thank you. So let us begin with our topic today. It is planetary combinations for success in stock market. When a person comes to you for consultation related to stock markets, first what you have to check is the Dana Yogas and his horoscope, because stock market is all about money. People just enter the markets to earn money. They become greedy. They want to earn very quickly. Only people who are willing to earn quick money or want to earn quick money enter the stock markets, get the lure of the stock markets. So the first point you have to check in the horoscope is the Dana Yoga in the horoscope. You should check whether these horoscopes are having a strong Dana Yogas or not. The houses which are included for Dana Yoga are the second house. Second house is the house of wealth, your family wealth, your bank balance, your family assets. Fifth house is the house of Lakshmi Sthana. It is one of the Trikonas, and the Trikonas are also known as the Lakshmi Sthanas. So the connection of this house is also the house of Purva, which is very important. Money you earn is by Purva Punya only. So the fifth house should be connected to the second house or the 11th house or the ninth house. Again, the ninth house is another Trikona or the Lakshmi Sthana. So the connection of ninth house with the 11th and the second is also a good wealth giving factor. So the more combinations or permutations are created between these houses, the more wealthy a person will be. And if the Lagna Lord is also participating in this houses, then the Dana Yogas become pretty strong. So what you have to check, if your horoscope has planets posited in the 2, 5, 9, 11 houses, or their lords are connected to each other, shows very good Dana Yogas in the horoscope. It shows that the person has a very good ability to earn money. He has a very good luck in terms of money. He will be lucky in his financial ventures. So after that, the fifth and the ninth house are the Lakshmi Sthanas in the horoscope. Their connection with the second house and the 11th house make a person lucky in terms of financial prospects. As I said earlier, the fifth house is the house of Punya, what past merits you have done. The person, anybody who becomes rich, you will find that will have a strong fifth and the ninth house connected to the second and 11th. These people have done lots of punya in their previous births or the previous lives, which is why they have been gifted with a lot of opportunities to earn money, and they find it pretty easy to earn money. So this is the factor which is present in their horoscopes, and the Lagna or the Lagna Lord, when connected to these houses, make the Dana Yogas excellent. The participation of Lagna Lord. Lagna is the self, you. So the participation of the Lagna Lord in these houses means that you have a strong ability to earn money, attract money to yourself. So the Dacha and the Dacha should be connected to these houses 2, 5, 9, 11 to give financial prospects. If Dashas are connected with these houses, as you see the 8th house and the 12th house, we have a red signal, red sign here. These houses are related to losses. So if you have a Dasha of planet in this house running, then I would advise you not to enter the stock markets. Just forget the stock markets. You should never trade your money. You should never risk your money in such a time. Either you will suffer a lot of heavy losses. So the next you can see the yogas for success in stock market is the fifth lord. It's posited in the 11th house or the second house, conjoined with the 11th lord or second lord. You can earn in stock markets. Right? The second house or the 11th house lord is posited in the fifth house or connected with the fifth house lord. One can earn in stock markets. So these two combinations, as I said, the fifth lord or the 11th lord, they should be fifth lord or the second lord. They should be connected with the 11th or the ninth lords, or vice versa, or their lords should be connected to the second house or the 11th house. This combination can give you money in stock markets. You can be sure that you will be able to earn in stock markets. If these planetary positions are present in the horoscope, but the dasha operating the planet signifies the 8th and the 12th house, one will suffer heavy losses. So how do you check this? Suppose you have a planet posited in the second house and you see that the dasha of that planet is running, and you enter the stock markets thinking that, oh, the astrologer was saying the planets in the second house give gains. And suppose the planet posited in the second house is in the nakshatra of another planet who is posited in the eighth house, then your eighth house becomes active. That way you can lose a lot of money. So you should be very careful while blindly doing this. The analysis is pretty difficult. It is not as easy as it looks. When Rahu is posited in the second house, the fifth house, eighth house, or the 11th house, conjoined with the planets Venus, Moon, fifth lord, eighth lord, one gets attracted to this towards the stock market. Rahu is the karaka of Maya, and the Rahu connected with this house is a lot of greed. It attracts the person to easy money. Whatever easy ways they find to earn money, they will just get attracted towards that. They don't want to do hard work, basically. Rahu's connection with these houses, these people will get attracted to easy ways of earning money. Stock market is one of them. At least it looks like. Apart from that, Dasha should signify the Dana Yoga giving houses to give success in the long term. If you are having the Dasha of the fifth lord, the 11th lord, the second lord, and their Nakshatra lords are also positive in these houses, then you have a pretty strong Dana Yoga. And suppose you are having a Dasha of Mercury, who is signifying these houses. So Mercury's Dasha is, for example, 17 years. So you have a good period of 17 years to earn money through stock markets. You also check Antardashas for success, whether you will get success in Intradashas or not. Continuous 17 years, nobody will be earning money every day. You will also suffer losses. So that is why Intradasha period and the transit of moon is also very important here. One thing I would like to share here is if you do not have the knowledge and understanding of stock markets, you do not know what is the index, what it consists of, you do not know how stock market runs, you do not know what is called, what is puts, you do not know what is commodities market, then I would request you to first learn these things, understand these things, and then only after watching for some time, then only enter the trades. It's very difficult, very risky that you can lose all your hard-earned money in this market. The markets are pretty difficult. It looks like it is very easy, but it is not. Many people I have checked their horoscopes. They have got many big losses. Some have even run into losses of crores. I have such clients. So that is why I'm telling you it is not as easy as it looks. First, check the Dana Yogas in the horoscope. Be sure that you have the combination to enter the stock markets. After that, you should be having pretty basic understanding of how the market works. You should understand what the market is made up of, how it works, what is required to start trading. You should know all the things like how to trade in stocks, how to buy stocks, how to sell stocks, how to put stop loss, what is a call, what is a put, what is to use, what options. If you have the basic knowledge of stock markets and then you have the combinations for getting wealth in the horoscope, I'm sure that you can earn pretty well because the combination of knowledge and experience always gives you a win-win ratio. So just now we will check the horoscope of a person who is having a career in stock market. He is one of my friends as well as a client. He is earning in stock market since the last 10 to 12 years consistently. And he is also running a service of giving tips on Telegram channel, very successful. He has made people consistently earn good money. So that is why I took this horoscope as a case study. I have not taken horoscopes of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or anybody else whose birth data is on. This is personally, I am personally knowing, and which is why I have taken this case study. If you see here, the fifth lord, Jupiter, is connected to the 11th house. As I said earlier, fifth lord's connection with the second and the 11th house is a combination for good wealth, for earning in stock markets. So this person has this fifth lord in the 11th house. The second lord, Mercury, and the 11th lord is also Mercury, is posited in the second house in exaltation. So Mercury is pretty strong here. That is why the Dhanu Yuga, see the wealth giving planets. These are the planets of commerce as well, Jupiter and Mercury. Commerce, counting. So earning through stock markets. Mars here is the planet of logic. Mercury Mars combination gives the person pretty strong analytical skills, which is why you can understand how this person understands the movements of stocks and gives tips and makes consistent money, as well as makes other people earn money through his services. He is giving services of stock market, which can be seen by the sixth lord and the seventh lord posited in the fifth house. The fifth house is the 11th house from the seventh. Seventh is the house of your opposition. He is giving service to his opposition partner, which is other people. So they are gaining from him because the sixth lord and the seventh lord is in the fifth house. Fifth house is gains for this people. So he is able to produce gains for other people as well. So as you see, the Saturn in the fifth house is aspected by Jupiter as well. Saturn in the fifth house has aspect of Jupiter, which makes it auspicious. So from Chandra Lagna, if you see from the Moon Lagna here, you can also see that the Dana Yugas in the Lagna are repeated here as well. Here you can see that the fifth house of Jupiter, who is the 11th lord. From the Lagna, it was fifth lord was in the 11th house. Here from the Chandra Lagna, the 11th lord is in the fifth house. Again, the combination for getting wealth through stock markets is repeated in the Chandra Kundali as well. Here, the fifth lord and the eighth lord Mercury is strongly placed in the eighth house with Mars, who is the 10th lord, which means he is having a career in stock markets. He is pretty good at in logics. From the Chandra Lagna, if you see the second lord is also Jupiter, who is positioned in the fifth house. Again, the 11th and the second, both houses have connection to the. This way, he is able to generate a lot of wealth from stock markets. He has strong Dhana yogas in the horoscope. Then you can see that Venus, the ninth lord, is in the ninth house and aspected by second and 11th lord Jupiter from the Chandra Lagna. Chandra Lagna, Venus 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So the ninth lord in the ninth house, aspected by Jupiter, the Karaka, Dhana Karaka, second and 11th lord is also a pretty good combination for giving wealth, which this person has. So overall, his horoscope is pretty strong in terms of earning money through stock markets, which is why he is doing great. So which type of trading is suitable? This is a query of a lot of people who come to me for consultations. They ask whether I should do intraday or I should do swing trading or I should do long-term trading. The perfect answer for this is it depends on you, which way you are comfortable with. You, if you have a strong working knowledge of stock markets, this is my opinion. If you, in my humble, you have a strong working knowledge of stock markets, plus strong Dhana Yugas, plus Dasha support, you can trade in intraday trading as well. You can trade daily in any segments, whether it is commodities, whether it is stock markets, whether it is index. You can trade as per the level of your comfort. If you're comfortable with index, if you're comfortable with Bank Nifty, if you're comfortable with Nifty, if you're comfortable with stocks, and if you're comfortable with commodities like gold, silver, or if you're comfortable with commodities like masalas, so you can do trading as per your level of comfort. If you have zero knowledge of stock markets, it is better to first acquire knowledge, first acquire working knowledge, that then get into trading. If your horoscope supports, come from the stock markets. Otherwise, don't get into trading. Avoid trading totally. Okay. Long-term trading can be done by those who are not having good dashas right now, but suppose they are in a good under dasha and they invest a chunk of their income in some stocks, and their dasha is going to be good after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. We are going to have dashas which are related to the money-giving houses, money-generating houses. So they start accumulating good stocks over a period of time, and when their dasha comes, they can cash that money and earn a fortune. Like that, they can spend the money in the way they want. They can spend the money to get their wishes fulfilled. They can spend the money to buy a house or whatever it is. So such people should invest in the long-term trading. Swing trading can be done by those who have some understanding of stock markets. I can say that a pretty good understanding of stock markets, and they are not even comfortable with intraday. They want to invest in the stocks. They don't have time at hand. They are working people. They are professionals. They are career professionals. So they can just invest their money in the stocks and sell after some days. So they don't have much time to look after the markets full day, like sitting in front of the screen and trading. So these people can trade in swing trading and earn money if they have the combinations for success in stock markets, of course. So people, this is for today. Thank you very much for liking and watching this video. If you like this video and my work, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedbacks. Sri Krishna.